Let's learn how to read. The box is big. The box is big. The box is big. The box is big.
Now it's your turn.
What is big? The box. The box is big. What kind of box it is? Big. The box is big.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lessons, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCan Tutorial Services.